As our company's independent research and development technology is becoming mature, we launched the Precise AI Alert products with 6 smart functions, provide you with more comprehensive services. Now, let's show you staff absence and setting course. When IP camera detects person, which is absent more than set time in appointed area, it will trigger alarm.
The staff left the position. Please return to the position as soon as possible.
Setting tutorial, configuration, alarm management, intelligent events. Select the channel. Select staff absence. Click Enable. Click the erase to clear existing detection area. Draw new detection area. Set sensitivity. Set absent time. Set minimum number of people on duty. Click Setting of camera light alarm. Choose the suitable duration and time. Click Setting of arming time. Arming according to requirement. Click Confirm. Click Setting of linkage mode. Setting linkage configuration. Click Save. Kindly prompt, enable staff absence, automatic shutdown vehicle retrograde. Click Confirm. Click Exit after showing Finish Save. Back to preview.